Hey YouTube, you know the saying, get what you pay for? That's completely true with these 88 to 98 tailgate handles. I bought two aftermarket ones, and they don't want to open. You gotta keep pulling on the latch rod. I'll show you here in a minute what that does. We're gonna get this one out and show you the comparison, why I bought the OEM one versus this made in Taiwan junk. So let's get this out. Seeing there, got my light on, but that rod's just dangling in there. This handle's about a month old, but you lift up on it and it doesn't want to do anything. It keeps catching. It's going past where it's supposed to pull down on that. There it goes. But usually I have to pull that right side latch rod by hand to get this to open, and then I have to see, you hear that click? I have to push it to get it to lock in place. So that's where I'm having my issue. This is the second handle. About to put the third one on. So I'm going to show you a comparison of all these. We'll go from there. Here's the side-by-side comparison. The one I took off the truck just recently in the video is the 1A Auto one. This one I got in August. I replaced from the factory one that I got from eBay. And this is the Delco OEM one. Now this one has the part number stamped, and it's the exact same one I had on the original. And it says made in Canada. You can see that. There's the part number on the box. That's the one I'm going to be replacing. The eBay one, the same thing. The latch rod, I kept having to pull it. It lasted about 6 months, but I still had to keep doing that in between there. And then this one I've had for about a month. They are the exact same. The only reason I bought the 1A Auto one, because it had a lifetime warranty. If you can see, because of the damn glare. There's the part number. There's the exact same part number from eBay, and they both say made in Taiwan and made in Taiwan, if you can read that. So I'm going to go ahead and install the Delco one. Now I paid 3 times as much what these cost. They range from $8 to about $25 just for the handle. This one was $25, came with the bezel, but I didn't want to put it on. This one was about $12. This one was almost $75. Retails for $100. But you're gonna get what you pay for. If it lasts a couple years, you only paid a couple bucks a year. But this shit, 6 months, 1 month on this, I'm returning this one. So just wanted to show you the comparison of all this cheap shit versus what you actually get when you pay for quality. Got the new one on. Works flawless. Locks in place. There's a rivet in the center. See that? I think those aftermarket ones are just not made right, because that seems to be the problem. It's where these two conjoin and match with the latch rods. It's always on my passenger side. It's loose. This one grabs like it should. So I just wanted to show y'all a comparison what you get when you buy these cheap aftermarket ones. You get what you pay for, man. So if you guys like it, hit like. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.